Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You'll start by ensuring prerequisites are set. Back up your device to iCloud or a computer so you can recover if needed. Once done, connect to a reliable Wi-Fi network and plug into power. Low battery stops the process. Make sure you have 5 GB free by offloading large apps or photos. Then open Settings, tap General, and choose Software Update to check for the latest release. This begins the actual download phase and verifies compatibility with your device. After the update appears, tap Download and install and enter your passcode when prompted. This verifies your identity. While the update downloads, avoid restarting the device or force quitting settings because interrupted downloads can corrupt the installer. Once downloaded, choose Install Now or schedule Install Tonight. The installer prepares files and temporarily encrypts system resources. During installation, your device will restart 1 or more times. This is normal. Make sure it stays connected to power and Wi-Fi until you see the lock screen again. Once installation finishes, follow on-screen setup. Enter your Apple ID, accept terms, and check settings to confirm the new iOS version. If something goes wrong, reboot and try the update again. Often freeing storage or switching to a stronger Wi-Fi fixes the issue. If the update repeatedly fails, connect your device to a Mac or PC and use Finder or iTunes to update or restore. For stubborn errors, use recovery mode or contact Apple support for guided recovery to avoid data loss.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.